We are going to make pumpkin tempura today. This is one wedge of Japanese pumpkin. Cut the pumpkin into thin slices. We will prepare the batter just before cooking. This is 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour. Add 8 tablespoons of ice cold water. Stir with a pair of chopsticks. Do not overmix. It is okay to have some lumps in the batter. The water should be icy cold. Add half a teaspoon of oil and the batter is ready for use. Dip the pumpkin into the batter and we can start frying. The oil should be hot. Did you see the batter floating up immediately just before we put the pumpkin into the oil just now? Let's watch again. As this is home cooking, I'm always using basic ingredients that is easily available. If I cannot find an ingredient, I'm always open to either do without it or substitute it with something else. For this recipe, however, we have to have Japanese pumpkin, which is sweeter, drier, and fluffier than local pumpkin. After frying for about 1 minute on one side, turn over to fry the other side. It is ready when the pumpkin is cooked. How long it takes will depend on the thickness of the pumpkin, how cold your batter is, and also how many pieces of pumpkin you're frying at the same time. It is important that we slice the pumpkin thinly so that they can be cooked through in a short time before the batter burns. We have fried for about 3.5 minutes. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.